Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a lost Social Security card. First, you will need to determine if you are eligible to receive a replacement card. Next, gather all the required documents, such as proof of identity and citizenship. Then, accurately complete the application form. Finally, submit your application either in person or by mail to the Social Security Administration. This process ensures you can quickly replace your important card. To apply for a replacement card, you must be a United States citizen or a legal resident. You will need to provide original documents or certified copies, not photocopies. These include proof of identity, like a state-issued identification card, and proof of citizenship or immigration status. Remember, there is a limit of 3 replacement cards per year and 10 over your lifetime, so keep your new card safe. The next step is to complete Form SS5, the application for a Social Security card. You can easily find and print this form from the Social Security Administration's website. Carefully fill in all required sections with your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and your parents' names. It is crucial to ensure all information is accurate. Remember not to sign the form until you are ready to submit it. Once your Form SS5 is complete and you have gathered all your original documents, you have 2 main options for submission. You can visit your local Social Security office in person, which allows for immediate verification of your documents. Alternatively, you may mail your application and original documents to the Social Security Administration. After submission, you can typically expect to receive your new card within 7 to 14 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.